A shocking revelation has emerged at the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry about the Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Police Department, known as the EMPD in South Africa. Now, according to Rival Spies, a retired deputy chief of the EMPD, he said a criminal enterprise has been running the department for the past 3 years. Now, Spies has testified at the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry, revealing that corruption within the EMPD has become systematic. He stated that some officers were earning up to 200,000 rand per month only on bribes, and that the department had been infiltrated by organized crime. He also mentioned that out of 3,762 Ekurhuleni officers who were vetted, 275 were found to have previous convictions, while 100 were awaiting trial. Spies also implicated several senior officials, including Brigadier Julius Mkhwanazi, who was acting chief of the EMPD at the time. Now, Mkhwanazi was allegedly involved in various crimes, including copper theft, murder, and kidnapping. Spies also revealed that Mkhwanazi had refused to be vetted by the State Security Agency. Now, one notable case that involved the theft of copper cables in Meyerton, where Brigadier Julius Mkhwanazi was allegedly present. Now, a whistleblower by the name of Yako Hanekom provided CCTV footage of the incident but was later murdered. Now, Spies also testified about another case where officers under Mkhwanazi's command allegedly beat a man to death and dumped his body in a river. He also revealed that he has been receiving threats against his life and is living in fear. He also stated that there's a situation of fear within the EMPD, with a small group of officers taking over the city as they remain protected by senior officials. Now, the Madlanga Commission is ongoing, and it's expected that more arrests and disciplinary actions will be taken. The revelations have sparked outrage and calls for action. With all the revelations that are coming through at the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry, do you believe that this commission will be the answer that South African needed to fight corruption? What are your thoughts? I interrupt this video to tell you that I've partnered with a tattoo artist by the name of MGM Inc. This partnership is bringing a 50% discount on all tattoos. Now, if your name is Ubusi, for an example, you want to get a tattoo of your name because of its 4 letters, you will pay 160 for those 4 letters. But if you book it now, you will qualify for a 50% discount. You will only be paying 80 rand because of it will be 20 rands per letter. MGM Inc. is located in Johannesburg in a town called Krugersdorp. He also does house calls, but transport will be provided by you. All that you have to do to qualify for this 50% discount is to send him a WhatsApp and tell him that you are referred by Alokwan Reacts. That is Alokwan Reacts, and automatically you'll be qualified. Alternatively, you can also send me a DM, but please do check out some of his work on his social platforms. It's MGM Inc.